Ka lefoko bona ka bakena ka setswana ka banaganela bomotla kolista ka lemema ke bua fela ke te ke malema ke tshwarisa mogosane ke lewane ke pile masela ngwana ga satane ke leta zolo ka tlase ya ketane no PTA re ka setswane I got heavy flows all best all stars confess cheers to my success ke le tlogela ka mess le bongwana ka ba ko mafikeng
I share this ancient squabble, every tribe alive, arrival lines unravel the time. Every time Babylon shine, this rebel will strike from the belly of the catacombs of medieval zone to the middle lobe. Confidence get shattered when this mirror get closed. Comparing our flows, my calibers is 12-inch down in your throat. Euclid lines and angle, entangle those that wanna angle me, bro. Swallowing seasons, put them out as meatballs.
Who that focus, dude, overly conscious, pompous, blue jaw, and it change the altitude high. Skyline overview, carefully penacodable, nimbus clouds with constant fuse compositions and confidence. Brainstorming to stop my rain sick, vivid and audible. Looking to take a shot or to pose the threat. What flashes will surely casket your average crew in massive shoes. I'm stepping through timid lanes and avenues, overheads, embrace flows, well rounded like halos.
Fosh, Pilato, touch you like Pina Gazola. Ke ma beatboxer go apeiwa, ma bina go tsolwa. Dabbing, washing, tokolozing for anyanes. See me rocking my nyesa with my rice and my canyanes. You busy throwing 10 trumpets, through the steamer. You're too serious, man. Where's your sense of humor, Sikela? Forever in the box and wonder why, Unyamalala. I am out of this world, bring my shit, Shabalala.
Hella punches when I write this shit, I'm Mike Tyson. All these rappers, they be biting shit, they Mike Tyson. I'm still a student, I should probably be home studying some chapters because cause childs, but it's okay, I'm chowing on these rappers eye for eye, toe to toe with the youngin', you getting killed. Rhyme is nice, flow is cold, nigga, talk about having skills, I'm impossible. How can an intellectual be a fool? Even better, how can somebody this hot be this cool?
How can someone be this cool? I'm busy flowing like an ocean. They drowning in the pool and I can't really tell the emotion. I'm floating, toe to toe with I. It's no surprise I am my only danger and I can give a fuck about their demise. It's Hiroshima, yo Nina say she Mamma Mia. Now listen to this ether cause this Easter thunder feature to the nasty season. I rep the deep and yes believe it, point God, young nigga. It's young Miyagi season, bitch.
Tupac must be crying beyond his grave, Hennessy. Call me Stevie as I wonder, now let me see. I got the basics, I bust support in. Manje what's a universe to uSpace Wenkanyezi. She may plead and Kimz ibuyise next week. Basazoba strong over bantu babo ba weak. Bathanda basika bo mafrikinyana at least. No jigidina sba maphepha asibali speech speak.
Once upon a rhyme, a lyric intended to emit ultimate and limitless images. A minute became forbidden to children, they mentally finished. I run across your mind. Stamina ramming a thick skull like a battering element entering not to damage but to benefit listener. And if your head is sore, that's because we at war. You breaking your neck while we fighting through what be your thoughts. Writing to music like it's human, let us be poems. A bars inserted between yours truly and Dia's soul.
I see pretenders finding pleasure in displeasure. Hence this pleasure is a blissful desperate measure that we often fail to treasure when our backs against the ropes. Bouncing back to make a toast to coming back from mammoth slopes. At a go, foes wonder how I make it out the slums. Like I weren't a masturbating when I resulted as a feeling blessed that my mind is still a playing humdrum where waters are numb, pineal gland stung, drunk while I'm from the brick of the the rick of the That's an applaud from all my haters clapping a Uzi when I spit raps,